Hi everyone, Pete from Drawing Emporium here. So on this video we're going to be doing wax art. So we're going to be drawing pictures and then we're going to be going over with paint. So out of your pack you need your card, your crayons and your paint. And then maybe just get a little jar of water or something. And then it comes with a little brush but it's not very big. So you can use a bigger brush if you've got one. Or there's a little bit of sponge in your pack, you can use that as well. So you want to just start off by doing a drawing on there. So I'm just going to do a big smiley face. The important thing is you've got to rub it really hard to get loads of the wax on. Otherwise it won't work. Start with the mouth. You might find it a bit tricky to see because it's white, but then there is other colours. It just looks better if it's white. I'll show you some of the other colours as well. So once you're finished, get your paints. I'm going to use the little sponge. There's a bit of water on it. Rub it on the paint you want to use, and then you can just drag it across the paper. You might need more water, so just grab some more if you need some more. Can you see what's happening? And you can do different colours as well. And once you've finished painting, you're all done.